Yeah. No, he isn't. Okay. Bye.
You should spray it. You're totally not getting it. You should go and dance like this all the time. Okay, maybe that's not good for him.
No, he does this all the time with mommy.
Dude, Tracy doesn't just spray him.
No. That's so
Because he
cute.
wants to
Look.
clean his wings. Oh, so cute. Aww. Dude, seriously, I should spray under his wings. This would be the perfect time. Dude, look at him. He's closing his eyes.
That's how he goes himself a bath.
Give yourself a bath, Shoni. You know you stinky. You're so cute! Oh my god! Uh-oh. Now I think that's what's off.
No, I remember one time mommy was like on his.
Yeah, he did that to me one time when he was exercising, or when I was exercising. Except it was vitamin water, so I was like, I'm pretty sure that's not good enough.
So fluffy.
Oh.
Sorry.
Look at my legs.
Dang, he's going wild. Look at that.
He's mad at us.
How can he be mad?
Because we're ignoring him.
He's so cute though. He's so cute. I think that's enough.
That is enough.